Hello once again, juniors. Welcome back for week 6. Hopefully you had a nice, restful 4-day weekend. Uh, I know that these little breaks can be very helpful, especially now. What I've heard from my juniors in our breakout sessions during class, or for my seniors, I'm sorry. The seniors are telling me that the teachers are overloading the students with a significant amount of work. And they didn't even feel like they were going to get a 4-day weekend because of so much work that they had to do. So with that in mind, I was thinking that if we were having class together and I realized how much extra work you had put on you, as you do right now, I would probably give you a large chunk of our daily class to do independent work and to get things done on your own time. And so I'm kind of trying to wrap that into what we're doing this week. So I didn't really come up with any major new stuff. There is some carryover from last week. There is just one thing we're going to do, but it's really not difficult. So I'm hopefully the stuff I'm giving you this week is not time consuming at all. And you'll be able to get work done for all your other classes. And like we've talked about in the past, your junior year is key to getting good grades. This is the last set of grades that will be on your transcript when you submit your college applications. So this will be the final snapshot that colleges see about you. So it's absolutely important that we get those grades to the highest level that they can be. All right, let's see. What am I talking about with a relatively lighter week? All right, so here we are, week 6. The 3 things for this week, 2 of them carry over. I mentioned it last week. So the Cornell notes, yes, I told you we would combine last week and this week into one set of questions and summary. So if you got them done last week, you don't have to do them again this week. If you did not get them done last week, make sure you get them done for this week. I'm going to be reaching out to your tutor. I know she's got the week 3 graded. She does not have week 4 graded yet. And I want to check on them and make sure everything's good to go and before she grades these. So get those in by next Monday to make sure, but you probably have till Tuesday, let's be honest, to get it done. The other thing is the grade log. So again, this is a regular weekly thing we're going to do. That grade log we've updated twice now. You updated it for week 4, you filled out a row. You updated it for week 5 and filled out a row. Do the same thing again for week 6. Your grades may not have moved too much at this point because, let's be honest, there hasn't been too much school going on, or maybe teachers haven't graded anything. But it's good to just every week, just check in, make sure, see if there's any surprises, anything that you didn't know. It helps you stay on top of your grades. So take a screenshot of that or a picture of that when you are done. Turn it into Jupyter. And there's the Cornell notes. And then assignment 3. Now this is a little interesting. It looks like it could be really complicated, but it's not complicated at all. So I've been doing this with the seniors, and I haven't done it with you folks yet, because I want to get started on this. One of the things that AVID does, and again, a lot of you are coming from Mr. Moran's class, so I'm not 100% sure if you ran things exactly the way that we ran them over here, but it's okay. The thing that I like about AVID is not just the lessons and the notes and the assignments that I give you. The thing that really helps students with AVID is the sense of community. It's the fact that you can lean upon each other because you're all taking pretty similar classes. You can get support. You can get time to get things done. And it's just that engagement. It's that sense of community. And honestly, with the digital learning, this is something that's really been lost. We all kind of just come to class, do whatever minimum amount we have to do, and then we're out, right? And you don't really feel connected. We don't feel like engaging. And so I don't want us to lose that. And so I do want us to start having some small group discussions, but they don't have to be discussions about school or anything even school related. It can just be about anything. You just need to be able to like interact with some real people, you know, instead of a computer all day. So with that in mind, what I'm asking you to do is when we get together on Wednesday, remember we're going to meet on Wednesday during 3rd period. I'm going to have you identify a topic, a discussion topic that you think could be something that you think other people would find very interesting. could be a topic that you think a lot of other people your age would want to learn about or know about. Or it could be a topic that you feel like people will really have a strong opinion about this and they're really going to want to have something to say. And so whatever the topic is that you choose, I need you to go find an article or a video that kind of gives us like a little more information about what you're talking about. And so all you're turning into Jupyter is a video link. That's a video link or an article link to a website or whatnot, so that I can go, okay, so this is what you think we should talk about. This is an idea that you think people would be interested in. And so what could it be? It could be anything. It could be anything that you think would be good for people to talk about. It could be fun. It could be silly. It could be serious. Like, let me give you some examples. Maybe there's a certain cartoon or a certain movie that you want to talk about. Maybe you want to talk about, like, I know WandaVision's out on Disney Plus. Are you liking WandaVision as part of the Marvel universe, or are you liking this show at all? That would be an interesting topic for people who might be interested in that. Maybe it's certain music, maybe it's certain memes, videos, TikToks, anything, really, anything, just so we can all get an idea of what you're thinking about. Send me a link. If it's a TikTok video, send me the link. If it's a YouTube video, send me the link. And that's it. That's all you're really doing. And so this shouldn't take you too much time. I mean, maybe a lot of time, when you're just kind of have your own downtime to think about, what do I want to talk about? But as far as finding a link to a certain video or something, that won't take you long at all. And so that's what you turn into Jupyter: a link to an article, a link to a video, something that I can watch or look at or read so I know what you're talking about. That's it. And then what we're going to do next week is I'm going to share all those links with the rest of the group, and everybody's going to go check them out. And then we'll have a breakout room next week where we get into small groups of about 3 to 5 people. And you'll get to choose which topics the group wants to talk about. And you just talk. And just something to talk about, something to engage about. Okay? So sounds like a lot, but really you're just sending me a link. That'd take you almost no time. The Cornell notes, it might take you a little bit longer, like up to 20 minutes or so, depending on if you got them done last week or not. And then update your grade log. So those are the 3. That's the week. And again, I'm going to see all of you on Wednesday. Remember, Tuesday is 246. Wednesday will be 135. Okay? So I'll see you all then. And come with questions if you need them. Have a good one.